got very, very busy here now, and they've just given out a call, something to do with a couple of drag bikes or something. So we're going over to have a look to see what they're doing. Drag bikes from B&H.
That's not like every step in the street, are they?
See, they're going to come back round. No. Smell of burning rubber.
Yeah.
A couple of B&H's bikes, I think that was.
Ah, yeah.
Woke everybody up. What a kerfuffle. Yeah, what a kerfuffle.
Yeah, it's B&H bike.
Can see what all the noise
Bloody missed it!
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah.
Right, I'll go back round and do what I was going to do originally. I was going to have a walk round the camp.
As you were.
Until I got so noisily interrupted.
I can't see what all the noise was about. I wish they gave us a heads up on that.
Yeah, it was a bit slow on it.
Yeah, it was a slow. Wasn't like the time
Howdy YouTube. I'm hoping this is going to work. I'm having problems with me mic again. Plus on my ride out this morning where I was going, the traffic was terrible. So I had to change the plans. I've just had a break in the bike to Eaton Truro. I've now put in to get back to Par and the pub in the sat-nav. I was going to head to hell, but the traffic on the A30 was a bleeding nightmare. So I had changed the plans there. Right, that's me all fueled up. I've got enough now to get me home. And some more. Right. Now shall I head straight back to the camp, or thank you, have a little diversion down to the seafront first? See if it's going to be worth putting the drone up when I get there. Yeah, this is where I walked to yesterday. Not quite what I had planned today, but at least I got out for a ride. I nearly walked it yesterday, but decided not to. But I'll nip up there today just to have a look.
100 yards, go round the roundabout, third exit.
Just see what it's looked like, and if it looks as if it's worth stopping for 10-15 minutes, I will. I mean, this might have been where they went yesterday on the ride. Coming all the way out here. I just hope it's worth it. Well, I can see the sea. All depends if I got to pay the bloody park. I'm just going to turn around. I just wanted to see what it looks like. Looks nice, doesn't it? So I'll come here another day. I'm not doing it today. It's on too much of a slope. Try and turn round. Might have to go out there to turn round like. Right, let's head back. Not quite what I was hoping it would be, but there we go. That was too steep. There's no way I could have parked up. So in some ways that was a waste of time, but I had to try it to see. So that car park attendant probably wondered what the hell I was doing, but if I was feeling a bit more energetic, I might have walked out. Been about 5 miles, the round walk. Right, back down to the main road. Right, see when I get back whether they got the gate open on the entrance to where the car park is. Was shut when I came out, but I think that was to stop more people going in. Cause afternoon, everybody. Saturday afternoon at the festival, and as you can see, the music's rocking and it's busy. Lots more camping here now, but on the Saturday for this one, they always get a lot of the locals from the local town come in to support it as well, because it's raising money for a little local children's hospice, and all for a good cause. Got a good afternoon so far. I've been out for a ride this afternoon. Wasn't quite what I wanted, but I still got out. Speak to you all later. YouTube on the dull but at the moment dry Sunday morning. I'm just leaving St.Austell now after a brilliant weekend at the Southwest Posse Rally.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
And it was good to meet up with a few fellow bloggers. One was a new one to me, that was the Curious Goose.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
And also met Phil, Big Pezza and HippoDrones. And Hippo won the best in class with his Guzzy at the custom bike show. So he's well chuffed about that, even though his was really the only one there in that class, but that's by and by. Unfortunately he couldn't ride it, but never mind. It's been a brilliant weekend, good company, a few bevies sloshed down the neck each night, and some pretty good music. Plenty of live bands for the entire 3 nights.
400 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
Right, get to Oakhampton or somewhere around that area, and I'll be
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
stopping hopefully get some breakfast, but at least another coffee.